Hello everyone. You know what I'm saying? Ito ka. This is chocolate banana cake. Kapag pinagtagsilan ka ng iyong banana, lutuin mo siya. You know what I'm saying, people?
Are you ready?
Ingredients: we have flour, we have banana, you know what I'm saying, we have 2 eggs, we have brown sugar, we have cocoa powder, not cocoa but cocoa powder, milk, almond nuts, you know what I'm saying, pampatigas yan, chocolate chips, and of course we have vegetable oil and salt, you know what I'm saying, people. We also have baking soda, baking powder. First, mix all the dry ingredients, you know what I'm saying, and sift them, you know what I'm saying, sift, you know what I'm saying, sift. Sifitan mo ang ulo ng asawa mo para hindi makawala, you know what I'm saying, people. Baking soda, and of course we have baking powder. Come on, ang tagal naman yan. Parang pagmamahal lang niya ang tagal, you know what I'm saying. Matagal na ako nanligaw, hindi pa ako sinasagot. Milyon nang ginastos mo, you know what I'm saying. Sift mo lang yan. Oops, I forgot the salt, people. The salt of life. Kung matagal ka nang na-broken, sana matuto kang magmahal ulit. Don't forget the salt of life, people. Importante yan, you know what I'm saying. Pagilok-gilok din paminsan-minsan. Huwag kang tago sa baol ng iyong nakaraan. Sift mo lang yan, people. And then pagkatapos niyan, ilagay mo na yung brown sugar for the proper what? Measurement of ingredients, please check description below. Sugar, halo-haloin mo. You know. Katapos noon, iset aside mo muna. Pero wag mong iset aside ang pag-ibig niya. Please lang. Tapos, ang next step mo is beat mo yung egg. But don't beat the egg of your husband. Baka mamatay. You know what I'm saying, people? And then put the vegetable oil together. Or mix the vegetable oil with the eggs. You know what I'm saying? And of course, the milk, people. The milk, you know. Basta laging tatandaan, pag nagalit ka sa asawa mo, don't beat his eggs, you know what I'm saying. Beat his heart, you know what I'm saying, people. Para matuto, di ba? Para matuto. And then next, your mixture of your dry ingredients, put or mix the banana. The banana, yung banana na, you know what I'm saying? You know the banana. The crushed banana. Crushed banana. Basta, you know what I'm saying already. Mix the banana with the dry ingredients. And then put the mixture of your egg, of your milk, and what's that? The vegetable oil. But please, guys, don't put some oil on your husband's egg. You know? Mahirap yun, madulas yun, people. Then just mix them all together. Yung mga walang lumps, you know what I'm saying, people, lumps. Yan, ganyan. Paikutin mo ng paikutin mo. Tapos lagyan mo ng almond nuts, you know what I'm saying. Basta, wag mo lang paikutin ang jowa mo. Maawa ka naman sa mga babaeng umiiyak dyan. Dapat sa mga babae kahit chismusa katulad ni Love in Scotland, minamahal pa din yan. Tapos mix mo na yung mga chocolate chips mo dyan. You know what I'm saying? People, chocolate chips, yung parang, you know what I'm saying? Pampalasa. Pampautog yan mga people sa mga pisot dyan. Shout out, ito dapat kainin nyo people. Pagkatapos mong i-mix lahat ng yon, prepare ay tray, you know what I'm saying, baking tray. Put some oil people para hindi dumikit, you know what I'm saying, katulad ng mga sip-sip dyan. Dikit ng gitkit, hindi naman natin sila kailangan. Shout out sa mga sip-sip sa trabaho. 3 beses na silang na-promote. Ako hindi pa. 1 beses pa lang. You know what I'm saying? People, ito ka. Tapos, pag nilagay mo na yon, yan. Put some parchment paper people, ha? Nadali na ako sa sa hugot eh. Tapos, top it with chocolate chips. You know what I'm saying? Para maganda-ganda. Kumbaga sa pechay, may seeds. You know what I'm saying? Pagkatapos baluto niyan, meron talagang nangingibabaw dyan sa ibabaw. And this is what I'm saying. This is non-oven bake, so I use this for those who have no oven at home. You know what I'm saying, people? We only cook this for 35 to 40 minutes, but your your heat. Shout out sa fire. Shout out sa heat dyan. Medium lang naman, not too much. Okay, people? See that? After 30 minutes yan na yon. Ang bilis, di ba? You know what I'm saying, people? Ayan na siya. And then, palamigin mo siya dyan sa tray. You know what I'm saying, people? Let's have some tea and coffee. By the way, shout out sa heat dyan. shout out pala sa fire dyan. Fire talaga, people, yes. This Kabilog is on fire, people. See that, people? The moist, it's very soft. But not as soft as my okra. You know what I'm saying? Okra. It's not like that, people. See, that is soy.
Thank you.